Welcome to the SNADI/SNAT Solar channel. In this video, we'll show you how to connect the 8kW NKF Bidirectional Inverter Controller, paired with a 5kWh BL Lithium Iron Phosphate battery. Powered by Dual-MCU intelligent control technology, this inverter seamlessly switches between single-phase and split-phase modes, making it highly adaptable to various power environments. It allows you to customize the output voltage, frequency, and unattended operation settings. Plus, with intelligent air cooling, comprehensive protection, and built-in alarm systems, it's safe, reliable, and absolutely perfect for small-scale solar energy storage systems. Before we get started, remember, safety first. Please ensure you strictly follow all local electrical codes and safety regulations throughout the installation process. First, remove the top cover of the BL Lithium Iron Phosphate battery and connect the positive and negative power cables. Next, remove the bottom cover of the SNADI/SNAT Solar NKF inverter, and wire the other end of the power cables into the inverter's battery terminals. Then, we'll connect the PV cables and the AC grid input. The exact number of connections will depend on your specific setup requirements. You can also connect the battery communication cable if your system requires it. Finally, secure the inverter's bottom cover back on. Flip on all the switches on the left side of the inverter. Turn on the battery power, and then power up the inverter. Just wait a moment for the screen to light up. Once the PV is successfully connected, a solar panel icon will appear on the left side of the screen. When the utility grid is connected, you'll see a grid tower icon on the display. Let's test it with a load tester. As you can see, the screen shows a load power of 2.85 kilowatts at an output voltage of 230V. Finally, let's go over some basic NKF inverter settings. Long press the Enter button to enter setup mode. Option 1 is for setting the output voltage, just press Enter to adjust it. Press ESC to go back. and Option 2 will let you set the inverter's output frequency. Option 3 configures the AC grid charging current, adjustable from 0 to 70A. Option 4 sets the PV charging current. Option 5 displays the status of the single-phase/split-phase dip switch that we set manually earlier. It syncs automatically on the screen. Option 6 configures the inverter's priority mode. Option 7 manages the energy-saving mode. Option 8 toggles the screen backlight. Option 9 sets the system time. And the final option configures the battery operating parameters. And that covers the wiring setup and basic settings for the 8kW NKF Bidirectional Inverter Controller. We hope this video helps with your installation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.